Hey guys, is there anything more beautiful than bougainvillea? Look at all of these variety. We are in Tam Coc Village, Vietnam, and this is the homestay we are staying at. And this is the top part of their rooftop. They have a bar area, and they have bougainvillea. And then here is my view. Stunning view. Rice paddies. Our host said that the rice is just about ready to turn, so this is at its most beautiful stage right now. It's still green, but you can see the beautiful color, and then eventually it's going to all turn golden and it'll be ready for harvesting. This is the little village town of Tam Coc. But I never realized bougainvillea had so many variation in just one plant. Look at this one right here. You've got pink, peaches, yellow, all different kind of variation. I love this one right here, pink and purple. Look at this beautiful one. Beautiful. And bougainvillea, they can't tolerate any kind of freeze, so of course in Vietnam they are stunning in the garden. And we have seen many that have grown them into standard form, which is very beautiful. This is more of a bushy form, but I love this pink shaded color. Here's this one over here. Look at that. Stunning. And then coming over here is another one of this variation color. And then we've got some white roses. Roses is always a plus. And then we got a pink one here. And everything, since it's on the rooftop, is all in the ground, but it's in its own pots and area. It's such a beautiful little town. Definitely worth a stop by. We're only here for one night. We've got 3 things scheduled for tomorrow's tour. And then we're heading one more stop down south. Well, we've actually got quite a bit more than one stop, but we're doing it one day at a time, taking the night train, night bus, and then getting to our next destination. So that's it, you guys. I thought you would enjoy just seeing the view of Vietnam with all of its beautiful flowers and trees and fruits. I am jealous and envious and love this country already. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, everybody.